Bajato presents AX773 Reflex Reflector. This reflex reflector is fixed below the tail lamp on John Deere Tractors, Massey Ferguson Tractors and Deutz Tractors. You can the reflector fitted on the tractor, like in this picture. This reflex reflector is made of acrylic material. It gives good reflection when light falls on it and can be seen from a distance. There are 2 fitment holes here. You can put bolts and fasten this reflector with nuts on the back of the tractor. It is a good quality product which is essential for road safety. This is a strong and reliable product from Bajato, and when you buy this you get value for money and long product life.